Hello again, everyone. The perfect combination of a slaughtering section saw and an elevator can make the whole plant cutting simple and efficient. 2-finger pot transplanter. 10 sets of materials. A high-efficiency planting tool that integrates furrowing and soil covering. Can effectively reduce labor costs. This excavator can quickly clear away the excess waste edges of corrugated paper and cardboard, etc. after grinding. Remove the excess waste edges quickly. Greatly improves production efficiency. This electric backpack, even in the face of the oldest overlord on Earth, can also hard control it for 3 seconds, thus completing the packing work. Timely removal of weeds in the fields after rice planting is an important link to ensure healthy and high yield of rice. This fully automatic harvester can perform operations such as shelling and threshing on crops, thus directly transporting the clean grain particles to trucks for transfer. The ingenious design of the flow head furrow allows workers to, without getting out of the car, easily complete the flow head turning work. Greatly improves agricultural production efficiency. Known as 3 seconds a tree. A fully automatic harvester that replaces 10 people. Can regularly clean the carbon deposits inside the exhaust pipe, oil stains and dirt. This can improve exhaust performance, extend the vehicle's lifespan. This isn't spicer level happy. It's fragrant nut butter. This stuff looks sticky, but it tastes good. It is also said to be brain boosting. The exchange efficiency of concrete is directly proportional to the pipe diameter. Of course, it can't be too thick either. The high-speed abrasive launched by the sandblaster can quickly remove paint from the floor surface, thereby improving the work efficiency of indoor renovation. In addition to using a honey extractor for honey collection, this mechanical pressure device can also be used. It squeezes the honeycomb through the top head on the pressure plate, thereby obtaining honey. This pedal loom from the last century can still stably and efficiently weave delicate and complex fabric patterns. The canning process of canned beer. A 10-ton steel coil before a large hydraulic metal shear. Looks particularly well behaved and cute. The soul chicken is also known as a meat product packaging machine. Can greatly reduce during the journey the scattering and loss of meat caused by bumps. This hand speed and operation to tighten screws is a bit of an underutilization. Finally, share a tip to prevent splashing in the rain.